While I saying recommend books for understanding the market through market profile, as you said, the old books are not in context now. See, still I would say you read those books, but don't take. See, the other day someone asked me a question: which books to read? Should I read Jim Dalton's books? You should, but you should not look at the TPO count stuff or the some of the old concepts that are no longer valid. All right, now it's very difficult to pinpoint. Like I cannot sit with a book by Jim Dalton and mark the topics that you should read and should not read. That is again a personal preference too. I have seen many people who will stick to all those old concepts and try to make it work. Sometimes it works and they get happy, sometimes it does not work and they say it's part of the game. But they are not ready to be convinced that it may be outdated. So it is difficult for me. And see, I am telling you why I have started these courses is not to make money out of it. And I also don't want to do it for free. But it is a common language. All right. So let's say you go through the course properly, honestly, diligently. Then within a few months, you will be able to speak the same language that I speak. Now, many people think that if I give him 10,000 rupees and I'll get access to the course, and what if I don't understand? What if whether I'll be able to master it in 3 months, 4 months, 6 months? No, you will never be able to master it. Why? Because just going through that course is like reading a book. It's not going to help. You read this book, all right, Price Action Bar by Al Brooks. Do you really think you will be at the same level of Al Brooks reading the charts like he does day in, day out? It's not going to be. Why? Because you need to go and talk with this person. So you open up a page and you show him this. This is the thing that is bothering me. Explain. Then when he explains it, then you understand what goes on in his mind when he's observing the charts real time. Make sense? And then you will be able to understand the concepts much better. So the course is there to bring you up to speed or to give you a language, so to speak, that I hear from the markets. When market is speaking with me, it is using that language. Someone might be speaking through a price action language. Someone might be speaking through indicator language. I am speaking through market profile language or auction theory or the complete trading framework language. So once you learn the language, then you are supposed to be here and have good discussions with me. Then you are supposed to share your observations. Then you are supposed to challenge my observations. And that is how real learning will happen. Now you will then say, then how long do you have to be in this co-trading workshop? It is up to you. If you can afford 2,000 rupees, I would want you to be here for life because I would want to have discussions with you for life. Make sense? But if you really do your job with the courses and then you come here and you really apply yourself to the markets and ask really good questions, what will happen is your learning will improve very, very fast. And then it is up to you whether you really want to be here for life or not, whether you want to continue with this co-trading workshop or not. It's up to you. It's not compulsory that you have to join it. I've kept the courses and the co-trading workshop separate because if you only want the courses, you get a lifetime access. Go do whatever you want to do with your courses, how many times you want to read it, whatever you have to do. If you want to have discussions with me, come in the co-trading workshop and let us have some healthy discussions. All right.